Hi, I'm Dr. Kavita Kamath, author of the book titled Social Media Marketing Essentials You Always Wanted to Know. Social media has taken the world by storm and it has created massive opportunities for businesses in the form of social media marketing. Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest have all become a part of our daily lives. Youngsters and professionals looking to build their career in this area, in the area of digital marketing, have tremendous scope for growth in social media marketing. Social media marketing is a very challenging, exciting, as well as rewarding career option. When I was doing my PhD, I had to do a lot of reading. And what I observed was the lack of books talking about the essentials of social media marketing. While there were many books talking about social media marketing strategies for businesses, I sensed the need of a book which would cover social media marketing, its uses and fundamentals in a concise manner. That is why I wrote this book, which explains all these concepts in a simple and easy manner, and also can be used as a guide by businesses looking to adopt social media into their business plans, as well as by youngsters looking to build their careers as social media marketing professionals. This book talks about social media marketing, social media, its history and evolution, its uses, the various social media platforms, their demographics. The book further delves into the concepts of social media marketing, its pros and cons, while comparing it with traditional media. The book further throws light on the content designing and creation process, various terminologies, the content designing and creation process, and tools of content creation. The various social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, etc. are discussed. How to use them as marketing tools is discussed in this book. The book also talks about the metrics of social media marketing, such as engagement, share of voice, also reach. And the book finally discusses about the fundamentals and ethical issues in social media marketing. The language used in this book is very simple and easy to understand, and the book is dotted with examples which makes it easy for the readers to relate to and understand the concepts. I hope reading this book is a wonderful learning journey for all of you, and I hope you enjoy reading it as much as I loved writing it.